Welcome the our channel. Today we how to install Google Classroom, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install Google Classroom, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in classroom.google.com and press enter. You will be directed to the Google Classroom homepage. If you already have a Google account, click on the Go to Classroom button. If you don't have an account, click on Create Account and follow the prompts to set one up. Once signed in, you'll be greeted by the Google Classroom interface. To create a class, click on the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Create Class. Fill in the required details, including your class name, section, subject. After entering the information, click on the Create button to establish your class. Once your class is created, you can invite students by clicking on the People tab. Then, click on the Invite Students button. You can enter student email addresses manually or share the class code with them. To share resources, click on the Classwork tab. Here, you can create assignments, quizzes, and announcements for your students. For additional settings, explore the Settings gear icon at the top right of your class page. Adjust your preferences according to your teaching style and classroom needs. To access Google Classroom on a mobile device, download the Google Classroom app from your App Store. After downloading, open the app and sign in with your Google account. You can manage your classes and assignments seamlessly from your mobile device. That's it. You are now ready to use Google Classroom for your educational needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.